Hi, I'm Debs, a Jamaican living in Zimbabwe, and today I'm in the studio with Afro-Ethnic Babe.
Afro-Ethnic Baby, amuchasimuta marombe mudunure kwedu, amuchasimuta vange musasiye bekwedu. Nesuwa, tinozvida nesuwa, chizarura masuwa, tinozvida nesuwa. Mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe, mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe, mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe, mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe.
Don't you forget where you come from. Every black man is from the motherland. So when you see our pain, every cries, don't deny. Unite, speak life, cause you're the chosen one. Them lie, why we forget our roots and why corrupt the media and hiding the truth. Africa for Africans, you and me, I am you. So no matter what them say, black people, don't forget your history is living in you.
Muzandikanganwe, mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe,
mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe, mundirangarire, muzandikanganwe.
Kumbola tena nkosi somandla, kumbola tena tata wamhlaba, siyabudinga umhlaba wakho nothando lwakho phezu kwethu, yeah.